Hey everybody, it's Eric Stark with the Smart RVer podcast. Today we're presenting another Fast Tip Friday where we're going to talk about the Dometic 300 series water valve. So this water valve fits the 300, the 310, and the 320 series Dometic toilets. If you own one of those toilets, you're probably familiar with this. You've probably replaced it once or more. So this valve, here in Montana at least, fails regularly. People replace this once or twice a year. When we were in Arizona, we sold a lot of them, and the toilet was relatively new then. So it's a common part for an RV store to have because it's a common part that breaks, unfortunately. And the real issue is, it's not, well, the breaking's an issue because you got to replace it, especially if you're out on a trip and you got to deal with a broken water valve. Going to some RV store and pay $100 for it, that sucks. Because these valves sell anywhere from $70 to $100 in normal markets. 70 to 100. That's twice as much or more than twice as much as most other water valves for, let's say, Thetford toilets. So it's expensive and it's a nuisance and they fail. Now there's a great solution to this. And it's made by Lippert components. For their FlowMax RV toilet, they use the same valve. In fact, the toilets look pretty much identical. First time I ever saw one, oh, that's a Dometic 310. The Lippert rep, he didn't really like that, but that's pretty much what it is. It's a Dometic 310. It comes with the same valve, same water line, same vacuum breaker. So you don't even have to put the water line and vacuum breaker in if you don't want to. You can just cut that off and just use the valve, and be easier to do it that way. But save this water line. These things do need to be replaced sometimes. Or if you have to cut yours off after you do that a couple times, it's not going to fit. So you'll need a new one. But anyway, back to this valve. You know what's cool about it? It fits in the Dometic 300 series toilets. It works flawlessly in there. And it's $25 to $30. Now, when I said it worked flawlessly, I mean it works well. It's going to have a failure rate, I'm sure, just like the Dometic one does. It's probably a Dometic valve made for Lippert. Maybe, maybe not. Different color plastic, but it's the same valve. Now, even if it failed once or twice a year, it's still $25 to $30. So you're saving a whole bunch of money. The frustration of replacing it is still there, but you're saving some cash, and that's what's important. We're in times where we need to save some money, right? Things are getting tough out there. Well, I hate to say it, I like Dometic. I like their products. We sell a lot of their stuff in our store. We sell a lot of Lippert components, but hands down, this valve wins. This gets the Smart RVer seal of approval. So check this puppy out. You can look at it on our website at sunpromfg.com, or you can find it at probably a million other websites on the internet. But it's made by Lippert components for the FlowMax toilet. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.